Hi buddies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting with Unit 1 of Yoga, Introduction to Yoga and Yogic Practices. In this video, we will be discussing the important questions from this chapter that can help you with your revision and exam preparation. So let's get started. First question. What is the meaning of Shatkarma? Shatkarma are the cleansing technique, Shuddhi Kriya. They are prescribed to set up the body for yoga practices. These are named Shatkarma in the view of fact that they are 6 in numbers. If there is any imbalance in the body, it may lead to diseases. Second, what is the purpose and significance of Shatkarma? First, to maintain balance and harmony. Second, keep body fit and disease free. Third, improve chemical functioning of body and mind. Fourth, to eliminate toxins from our body. Fifth, to purify our body from inside and keep our body healthy. Sixth, contribute strength to our internal system. Third, what are the benefits of Kapalbhati? This is the cleanser for the respiratory passage, including the sinus. Second, it improves respiratory function and promotes circulation. Third, it improves balance. Fourth, it removes acidity and gas related problems. Fifth, it cures sinus, asthma and hair loss. Fourth, what are the precautions of Trataka? A. People suffering from epilepsy should not practice on candle. B. Kids should avoid practicing Trataka. Fifth, what are the technique of Jal Neti? First, in a Neti pot having a nozzle, take tepid water with a little salt added to it. Second, insert the nozzle in the one of the nostrils. Third, bend the head a little sideward and pour water steadily into the nostril. Fourth, then repeat the same procedure with the other nostril. Thus, the nasal cavity is cleaned with water. Sixth, what are the benefits of practicing Jal Neti? Jal Neti removes mucus and impurities inside the nasal cavity. Second, it reduces inflammatory conditions. Third, it builds up resistance to the atmosphere. Fourth, it helps preventing cold and cough. Fifth, if practiced daily, it can cure headache and migraine. So today we are done Kapalbhati, Trataka and Neti. So Kapalbhati is for purification of frontal lobes and lungs. Trataka is blinkless gazing. Neti Kriya is for nasal cleansing. That's all for today's video. I hope these questions helped you with your revision. For more questions from this chapter coming up next, so come back to the channel for more questions and revision content. Stay tuned. Bye.